If you work with long documents in Microsoft Word, Outline View can make editing, organizing, and restructuring your content a lot easier. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Outline View in Word step by step so you can quickly manage headings, collapse sections, and focus on the structure of your document instead of getting lost in the details. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Word tips and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. You can use any document you want, whether it's a report, essay, notes file, or even a long project draft. Once Word is open, look at the top ribbon where all the main tabs are located. You'll want to click on the View tab. This tab controls how your document is displayed on the screen, and it gives you different viewing options depending on what you're trying to do. After you click View, look for the Views group in the ribbon. In that section, you'll see several layouts options such as Read Mode, Print Layout, Web Layout, and Outline. To enable Outline View, simply click Outline. As soon as you select it, Word will switch your document into Outline mode. Now that Outline View is enabled, you'll notice that your document looks different. Instead of showing everything in a standard page format, Word focuses more on the heading structure. This is especially useful if your document uses heading styles, because you can expand and collapse sections, move large blocks of content around, and get a clear overview of your entire document. If you're working on a large file, this view can save a lot of time. For example, if you need to reorder sections in a report or quickly check the flow of your content, Outline View makes that process much faster. It's also helpful for writers, students, editors, and anyone who needs to organize information in a clean hierarchy. If you don't see the results you expected right away, make sure your document has headings applied. Outline View works best when your text uses Word's built-in heading styles, because those headings become the structure you can navigate through. You can always go back and format sections as Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3 if needed. To return to a normal view later, just go back to the View tab and choose another option like Print Layout. That will bring your document back to the regular page view whenever you're finished organizing it. So, to quickly recap, open your document, go to the View tab, and click Outline in the Views group. That's all it takes to enable Outline View in Word. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Microsoft Word tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.